Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to off active on Instagram. So this is actually pretty easy and a very quick one, so let's start our video. So first thing is you want to open up your Instagram application. And from here, you want to go to the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where your profile picture is located. And from here, you want to click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you want to go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to scroll down until you see the section that says messages and story replies. That's under the how others can interact with you. And from here, you just want to click on the show activity status under who can see you're online. And from here, we have two options. So if you enable the show activity status, what it does, it's gonna show you, it's gonna show other people that how long you've been active. Like for example, you've last been active last week, so it's gonna show that you've been active last week. So if you want to disable this, just keep this on disable, so you'll know that this is disabled if the switch there is actually on gray. So if you want to turn this on, turn this on. So if you want to use the show activity status here, but you want restrictions, then you might want to enable the show when you're active together. So people that you follow and the people you message are the only ones that could actually see when you've been active. So if you turn this off, everyone can actually see that you've been active a week ago or a few hours ago. So if you want to limit that, you could just turn this on and you should be good. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.